Hello, this is
Andrew.
Ivy.
And Richard.
Today we have the topic of social relations and the subject of the mothers of the Plaza de Mayo. This situation takes place in Argentina. So we're going to be talking about the problems, causes, impacts, and solutions.
The Mothers of the Plaza de Mayo is an association of Argentine mothers who gather and protest at the Plaza de Mayo in Buenos Aires every Thursday. The problem is that their children have been missing for 30 years and the moms have no clue where the children are. The abduction of their children was caused by the Dirty War, which happened in Argentina from 1976 to 1983, when the government was a military dictatorship led by Jorge Rafael Videla. The national reorganization process was set in place, and those who dissented from the right-wing government were kidnapped and most likely executed. Anyone who was suspected to be a left-wing activist was taken.
The backstory is that Argentina was a part of Operation Condor, a campaign of political repression by the right-wing dictatorships of the southern cone of South America, whose goal was to eradicate communism. When their children began disappearing, their mothers were devastated and angry. In 1977, they began to protest in the Plaza de Mayo, the main square in Argentina's capital, in order to seek the whereabouts of their children. The mothers have turned into human rights activists and wear white scarves embroidered with their missing children's names. To this day, they protest to raise awareness of the impacts of the Dirty War and promote universal human rights.
An estimated 30,000 were abducted during the Dirty War. They are presumed to have been tortured and killed. A number of the missing were university students. Many were adults that had toddlers or were pregnant. In a twist of fate, some military officers ended up illegally adopting the children of the people they killed. An association called the Grandmothers of the Plaza de Mayo estimate that 500 babies of the missing were stolen, and about 82 have discovered their true identity. The search of the missing babies is one of the solutions to this issue. Today, many of the military leaders during the Dirty War, who made up a group known as a military junta, have been prosecuted of their crimes and have been sentenced to prison. And here are some questions to ponder.